What's going on, you guys? Me, Sam's Vlogs, Trains and More here, back with another video, and I thought I'd do a bit of excuse me, I thought I'd do a bit of a vlog of some unboxings for you guys. It's not going to be a sit down video because I am going to be showing you guys what these bits are for. This is kind of like a first part of me doing the office, doing the last finishing touches. Then I'll do a full office tour when it's completed, and my full room tour. So this is a parcel I just received from Amazon. I got it yesterday actually, but I'm opening it this morning, and it actually came myself out, so we just dumped it on my wall roll. Anyway, let's open it up. Obviously I've got to do it this way around just because I don't want to show my address. Roll. Bit of paper. And this is actually quite a small parcel, but because it's sort of the weird shape because it's a plug, I couldn't put it through my letterbox. It's literally the tiniest thing ever, but because of the size of it, they can't fit it through. It's literally this. I'll show you guys. I'm going to get rid of the cardboard box carefully without showing my address. Lol. But here it is anyway. Let me pop the camera down and I'll show you guys. This thing right here. And also, yes, my glasses are still broken, but I'll get new ones on the 9th of March. Let me just check there's no address information on this little piece of paper. You know what Amazon are like. No, it's just the instructions. Is that going to focus? But it's just a little piece of paper with the instructions on. But this is literally it. This is what UK plugs look like for anybody that lives in other countries. This is what plugs look like in the UK. 3 pins. And they put a bit of plastic over it. I think that's just to protect it. But then, the reason why I got this colour is because if you guys take this ring light for comparison, the cable's black and I want it to match. Although my other plug, which I'll show you guys in a second, my white one for this one is actually white roll. And it's actually a 4-way, but I got this one because it's actually cheaper. But for some reason, last time I bought a white plug, this one wasn't available. So, but it's available now. So I've got that. I'm just going to put it back in the bag for now. It's a little bit grubby down here because I need to hoover my floor. But that white adapter there is actually 4-way, and that one's plugged into my thing for my other ring light. It is. Right, different day today, hence why I'm wearing different clothes. But second Amazon parcel's come, and this is actually my green screen. So we're gonna crank it open. Let's undo the seal. This actually came like 20 minutes ago. And yes, I am in my pyjamas. That wasn't very good ripping. Yes, I am in my pyjamas because it is a Sunday. I thought I'd chill and have a pyjama day. I can't get the bloody cardboard off my parcel though. Oh, there we go. Right. Now let's have a look at this thing. Here it is. Here it is. It's literally a piece of fabric. But I know a few people probably say, Sam, you should have got like a green bed sheet. But to be honest, this is quite handy because it comes in this little seal bag, which is like not single-use plastic, which is good. So like double use plastic, and then you can obviously fold it and put it away. So let's bring it out and see what we've got. Let me stand you guys on my tripod. Let's bring it out and see what we got. It's literally a piece of fabric. It is. But my only troubles now is I haven't really got a stand for it. I haven't. So what I might do is I might have to buy a stand. I'll let you know, guys, but here's my green screen. I'm going to fold it up again and put it back in the bag. So the final part of the video, which actually came in a raffle, I believe there's some sweets, but I believe it's the sweets I'm actually not a huge fan of, so I'll be giving these to my mum, but hopefully I can dig into it. There we are. Yeah, that's some sweets. And get this packaging off. We can move that over there. Yep, there are some sweets. As you can see. Editing some here, and I just realised I never filmed an outro. So, I thought I'd do it now. Hope you enjoyed my Amazon unboxing vlog. It was a vlog, I suppose, so yeah. Although I didn't show you the ring light in the other room, mainly because there was no point, because it's literally the same as this thing here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, you know what you do. Give me a nice big thumbs up on there for me, please. Comment down below, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps. Hit the bell as well for notifications so you get all. And thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye all. Peace out.